What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode with AB Investments. And this is going to be a very, very important episode. Hopefully, everybody's having a great weekend again. Uh, I'm going to, in this video, tell you exactly what I'm expecting this upcoming week as far as price action and movement. In fact, what if I told you that I can see the price surging up back by the end of the week, or perhaps into this week, somewhere into the upper teens, perhaps into the mid 20s even. And why do I say this? Is because we are so far away extended from our 50-day moving average. And not only that, but we have been plummeted day after day for most of last week, or most of last week, and a bit the week before that. We are so oversold on so many levels. Uh, Obviously, what goes down that hard, its lift off will at least be somewhat similar. Now, not necessarily going up back 80% or 100%. If this thing could continue to do what it has to do, it could very well go over the mid 20s. But my realistic expectations on the technical analysis tell me that we will be expecting a move. I'm personally expecting, and while I'm obviously not offering financial advice here, this is just what my AB's expectations are, and we'll see sometime this week. I'm expecting the price to surge back up into the lower, or I'm sorry, like the lower 20s, perhaps the mid 20s. At worst case scenario, I see the upper teens, which is a big move from where we at right now. Now, here's the sour part to the video. Even if we were to go to 25, for example, hypothetically speaking, 25 would technically mean, prior to reverse stock split, $2.50. Is that going to make any of you lose their socks? I don't know. Everybody has different price targets, but for AB, that doesn't even bring me to the table yet. But it's going to look like, oh, look at that, we surged. Be very ready. I literally see this mid 20s to perhaps the upper 20s happening. I've mentioned something about this last week on Brother Mike on the Float live, and I stick with that analysis, seeing exactly how the week ended. It's even gave me more of a confirmation. Now, it's going to be very important for everybody in the family to exactly know what will happen. You have to walk into this week with obviously a plan. If you do see things happen as AB has just mentioned, and develop that way, then what is your plan according to it? What are you going to do? I can't tell anybody what to do, buy, sell, or hold, or do any of that. But you got to walk in with a mindset. Now, for me, that's not even going to get me to even look on my phone, but I will be looking at my charts. I'll be doing my day trading with other stocks, obviously, and then I will be reporting on the community tab when I get the time throughout the day to report at least one play that I'm indulging with. I am very heavy into day trading, so therefore I'm working on this program to try to get a member zone so that many of us could just be in there and obviously be able to be connected with each other at all times and get access to all the plays. That way it's more convenient. But I can't step out of this, go to this, because it's time consuming, and at the same time it's very sensitive, especially when you're doing a day trade that expires on a daily as well, especially if it's options. We will get to know in the future. We don't know what the future holds, but we will get to that if we get to that moment. I pray that it does. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section. Much love. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday.